movement is there, we are able to ensure that the infection doesn't spread because of the movement. And with that as an objective, any inter-district movement, any inter-state movement and any inter-country movement, all three movements, we need to ensure that the people are quarantined and that we follow it with testing. Now, for inter-district movement, we said that the community quarantine can work. Though I'm not sure if any one of you has actually started that, and last time Karnool told us they hadn't been able to organize it. We may be able to do community quarantine, but since so far the response towards the community quarantine is not very definite, and since people from other states are coming from all kinds of containment zones, etc., because we don't know who's coming from the containment zone or not. So the interstate movement, we had said that those who are coming from red districts, those who are coming from containment zones, etc., should be institutionally quarantined. And therefore, since in the absence of knowing now exactly who is coming from where and what was their contacts, etc., if it's okay, we take a call that we will do institutional quarantine for all people who are coming interstate and institutional quarantine of all people who are coming interstate and all people who are coming from abroad. Started coming from 13th of April because these foreign returning students were allowed at that time. So we got people even in May on those Italy students we got. After that we were allowed to have movement, and therefore from 27th of May we have been having movement right till now. This of course doesn't take into account those people who may have come into your borders and you may be doing their quarantine also. So inter-district movement should be, for those people inter-district, it should be a community quarantine and you should follow it up. And in case you have missed out so far, then it should be and it was a home quarantine, then you should have followed it up by keeping them under watch. So I repeat, inter-district movement, you will do a community quarantine. Unless they have come from a containment zone, then a different view can be taken. Otherwise, it will be a community quarantine which you will supervise. And if till today, if you have missed out the community quarantine and you kept them at home, then you should keep them under watch.
They were kept in their school itself, Madam, Madirala, Navodaya Vidyalaya, under quarantine, Madam. Principal has been told to keep them in their hostel. Hostel is empty now. There are no students there, so she was told to keep them in the quarantine. They are in the quarantine there.
And is somebody
is there, Madam? The principal, Jawan Navodaya Vidyalaya, it is in Chelakulpeta Mandal, Majra village. She has been clearly told to supervise them, Madam, provide food and all, provide them rooms, individual rooms.
So let the
that they are kept in individual rooms, and every day she is watching over them.
Okay, and then we will. So where did they all go?
Namaste, ma'am.
Yeah, namaste. So, if the JC knows, he can tell. Where did these ex-army people?
Gidalur, ma'am. They are all put on quarantine, ma'am. There is a quarantine center for us, and they are all from the place. We don't have much business, ma'am. I'm more flexible, more convenient in the quarantine center in the constituency, ma'am.
No, I am telling all those who are coming from other states, please do institutional quarantine only. Do not do.
Same, ma'am. Same.
Yeah.
Exactly, ma'am. We've done
But
the same
who
thing.
is supervising them?
Ma'am, we have put one irrigation, a deputy executive engineer as an in charge for the content center, and the local tahsildar is providing all the logistics, ma'am. Also, we have a consultancy supervisor and a medical team who are looking at the medical team also. It's been there for all the content center. The same team is carrying it out.
Okay. So after 14 days, you will do a testing.
Preliminarily, we have tested them, ma'am, already 2 nights.
What did you say?
Ma'am, we have tested on, there are people whom we thought we should test because of they complaining about some mild cough and
Okay.
this thing. We have tested them on 2 nights, ma'am. They are negative, ma'am, but after 14 days we'll test. 14 days we'll anyway test again, ma'am, as per protocol.
Okay.
సో క్వారీస్ తర్వాత ఈ ఫ్యాక్టరీకి సంబంధించి ఒక ఇష్యూ రేజ్ అవుతుంది మ్యామ్.
We will come to it again. I'm now
Really?
talking of people who are coming into the state.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
They have been institutionally quarantined at Vizag, ma'am.
The,
Point of time we had large capacity at Vizag, so we had to institutionally quarantine them here.
yeah. So April and on 3rd of May. There were 27 people who came earlier and
Students have been institutionally quarantined in Vikas Junior College, ma'am. So we have kept them under the institution quarantine in an educational facility.
okay. So I hope there is somebody supervising them.
Ma'am, there are venue-wise in charge officers are there, ma'am.
Okay.
At the district level, the joint collector is the in charge for that.
Okay. So similarly from quota students, we had 10 people.
Students from Kota, we are having in institutional quarantine at Jagatpet itself, madam. We have tested them and they were negative, but still we are having them in quarantine for, we will keep them for 14 days.
Yeah. So in Jagatpet, whenever you talk of, I get a little apprehensive. I hope you're not mixing different groups.
No,
During
madam.
quarantine,
Yeah. We have identified different places there, madam. We are
Yeah,
having
please
some
do different
number of
places.
colleges.
Yeah, please do different places. Then
254 persons have been quarantined, institutionally quarantined at 3 quarantine centers in Pathikunda, Mantralayam and Eminunda. So today only we have received and will do testing on 7th and 10th. Sir already spoke to me. Already sir also spoke to me.
okay.
We made all arrangements, even our medical team and welfare team, every team is in his position.
So I don't know for
We
the
were told that
Chandradu,
we'll
no.
receive food.
Let us check up the Chandradu. Chandradu, please.
Belonging to Kurnool, and 650 are from Anantapur, and 67 are from Ballari. So whoever is belonging to Ballari, I spoke with the collector, and after his consent, we have sent them, ma'am. And
Okay.
650, we have put them in 6 quarantine centers, ma'am, in their respective native mandals. We have identified the quarantine center previously in the respective native constituencies.
Yeah.
So in those places we have put them, and we have done the screening. We have put around 7 medical teams. As soon as they got down from the train at the railway station itself, all these people are screened with the thermal guns as well as physical screening. And whoever is having some symptoms or above 60, they are segregated and they are put into village wise, ma'am. Whoever is pertaining to same village, they are put in one bus and one quarantine center. And these segregated people also are segregated at the quarantine centers also, ma'am. So all other arrangements are made for their, maybe we'll be testing them after 14 days, ma'am, not now. So their facilities and everything I have personally checked, ma'am. They are all okay, ma'am, and they are all in quarantine centers by evening 5 o'clock.
No, but those who are, no, this is.
To work in the dockyard where they unload the fish, ma'am, which is caught by the other counterparts. So the people who come from Gujarat, they usually catch the fish, and these people are there to unload them, ma'am. So ఇందులో అంటే 60 ప్లస్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు జనరల్ గా వెరీ తక్కువ నెంబర్ లో ఉన్నారు, మ్యామ్. వెరీ ఫ్యూ పీపుల్, బికాస్ అట్ దట్ ఏజ్ దే మే నాట్ బి ఏబుల్ టు వర్క్ దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్. సో మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఆర్ less than 60 years, ma'am.
No, that I would be.